Hello children. Let's learn counting in nature on one side of a beautiful lake. Mohit is very excited to teach you counting with his skelter.
Which way should we go?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hi children, how are you?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hello everyone. Are you feeling good? Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is my skelter and it has one steering wheel. This has two seats. 1, 2. It has 3 tools. 1, 2, 3.
Mohit, how many ducks do you see? How many? Say louder. 3. 1, 2, 3.
3 ducks.
It has 4 wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 5 marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now it's time to go back home. Please subscribe to this channel and like this video. Take care. Bye bye.